he's steering pretty good.
A little bit. Let's go.
Uh-oh, turn your wheel. Not a boy, turn your wheel.
He's starting to learn.
Chase, Dada. This way.
We need to get him a little helmet, honey.
I got my bicycle helmet over there.
I put a toddler one on him for 0 to 3 years, or no, 0 to 3 years old. It's too small.
What's the matter? Can't get it?
I put a 3-year-old helmet on him, a toddler helmet. It was too small.
No way,
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yay, Quinn! Go, go, go!
He's going in circles.
Whoa!
Whoa.
One time.
Are you driving? You better watch where you're going.